breakfast here. A lot more oil than I normally have, but it looks really nice. Yeah, try one of these egg dumplings. Ooh, that is a lot of good stuff here. Like two pieces stuck together here. Dumplings, but that's very nice. Can you try one here? Very nice. Oily before, but very tasty. Try the crispy one. Very nice. Crispy dumplings. Like, steaming hot here. And the meat inside. Now I have the beef here. Crazy good. We got this mountain of beef here. Looking crazy good, as you can see. A bit unusual for breakfast for sure, but I'm not gonna add so much of the noodles. I'll have some protein here. It's looking really good. Road trip, so no need for a lot of carbs. Let's try it. Wow, smoky, very oily obviously, but really tasty. Bell peppers here, crazy good. Very, very. So you have this Lijiang, it's like a oil stick, almost kind of like a Chinese donut, you can say. Quite popular for breakfast, not the healthiest either, but let's try it. Tasty for sure, but it's almost like having donut for breakfast. Not sweet though, but very good. So we're gonna take our time and enjoy this together. Sharing is caring to have a lot of good dishes. Then we're gonna go get going for the road trip. Nice, we've been out driving now a bit, energized from the breakfast and stopped here when it's overlooking the river. Gonna see if we can fly the drone a little bit. Very nice, moody weather, not too warm. Some pretty cool backgrounds here. We're actually on the way to Shangri-La here, almost close to Tibet, but still here in Yunnan. It's going to be very nice tonight. Hopefully experience some local stuff, but first a lot of road travel, so just gonna enjoy the nature a bit. So see you soon. Yeah, now I stopped here along the way. It's a very local spot here. Gonna go down and see this view. It looks pretty crazy in the background. I think the best part about traveling around, get to get a lot of cool views along the way. Have the really local stuff and they're making the tea, I think, in the background. Really nice, yeah, but we don't have time to stop. Gonna go explore a bit. Wow, here we got some crazy nice views here in the background. Have all these fields here, and someone is singing here. Very local. That's a yak, maybe? Not sure. Interesting local culture. Wow, so once again we're stopping here with a crazy beautiful landscape. We've been driving through a lot of really beautiful landscapes here. See, it's shifting from being more kind of dry and green to having more kind of a mountain vibes here. Really beautiful pine forests, red, orange, the leaves are shifting. Super nice. We stopped with this crazy viewing spot here in the background. Gonna try to fly the drone a bit, but yeah, this is one of the best part about the road trip. You see so many different types of terrain and climate in the background. But look at these animals and also the Tibetan culture. Really beautiful. Yeah, gonna fly a bit, so see you soon. So apparently it was a restricted fly zone here, so no videos unfortunately from above at least, but really beautiful, of course. And you always have all these local snacks and fruit anyway, so it's always something to enjoy even though you can't fly. But I'm sure we're gonna stop many other places, so really cool. We're gonna see temples and so looking forward to that. So see you then instead. Let's try this fruit first. What is that?
Very interesting.
Yeah, before we leave I gotta try this weird, interesting fruit. Not sure if you can see it, but green and interesting. Let's try. Wow, it's like a papaya almost. Very good actually. Now let's go. Yeah, you can tell we're getting closer to the Tibetan style. You have these kind of shrines in the background everywhere, passing by. Really beautiful nature everywhere, as you can see in the background. Crazy nice. You want to stop everywhere, but you can't really. It takes too much time, but just want to capture some of the beautiful. So stopped here. Hope to get some nice drone shots here as well. But I like this kind of temples or shrines you see everywhere, like here in the background. The white one here, really nice. Yes, we're stuck in a huge car line here. 1 kilometer is actually the only road going from Yunnan to Tibet apparently. So we're just walking along the cars here, enjoying the crazy view here along the water. Yeah, really nice here. Crazy background. So just gonna jump in the car when it starts, but it's rolling very slowly. So better get in some steps before we go to lunch, see what we can find along the way. Fantastic, so finally it's time for lunch here. We're gonna have some local Tibetan style food. We're near the Tibetan border, as I mentioned here. We're going to Shangri-La, so we're gonna try some local food, see what they have. A lot of fantastic selection. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. Nice, you can actually pick all the great vegetables here and also all the ingredients to meat here. It's looking amazing. Always fun when you can pick yourself here. A lot of great stuff. Let's see what pumps up. Wow, we got the first set of dishes already and we got the local pork and that is looking crazy, the ribs. Try it out. So we got the food, get a try. It looks crazy good. I think it's a bit of a local piece of meat. Very nice. Very good. Wow, have some vegetables here. And we have a bit of a kind of a bacon here. Looks crazy good. Definitely no need for rice. This has wasted calories. Let's go for the meat. Wow, that is insanely good. Always nice to switch up the rice and noodles and stuff for veggies and stuff. A bit of oil there as well, but good for taste. So let's try it. A lot of kind of pickles here. Very nice. Really good taste actually. Really amazing. Here actually we have the pickles and there's normal vegetables. Also really good. Wow, really spicy. Almost reminds me of some sort of hamburger dressing or something, I don't know. Very, very nice. But the meat was fantastic. Let's have another one. These ribs were great, fantastic. Kind of a bit of a chili and bacon spicy combination here. Totally amazing. Wow, now we got the yak meat as well. Okay, let's try the yak meat. A little bit of a fat here hanging around, but looks good. Ooh, very different taste. Yeah, I haven't tried that before. Very nice. With a bit of a chili spice. Yeah, they have them different. We have a local pig here. We have some yak and also beef. Very good combo. More vegetables again. We tried this before. Very good. But yeah, a bit oily, so I'm going to focus on the meat. This one I already tried, but very nice. Always very interesting to try the local kind of vegetables. Pork came with this. Interesting. Never tried this before. Some chili. Looking fantastic. Very oily, but really good. So much good food here. All this like meat is crazy. Yeah, China has a lot of good food offered there for sure. Very good. Get the last dish here, the potatoes. Really nice. Yeah, really nice to carb up on this instead of having rice and stuff. I prefer this any day. Just trying this crispy goodness. Wow, that is really amazing. Really crunchy and oily, but really tasty. Yeah, I'm gonna take my time, enjoy this meal. Really fantastic. So, see you a bit later. Yes, as you saw, that was a crazy, amazing meal. And the weather is actually really hot. It's like 30 degrees something, and the views are insane in the background here. So we have a lot of good energy to explore. And that restaurant was actually much better than I thought. In the middle of nowhere here, just along the road. But I'm gonna continue to drive now, so we'll see where I end up. So see you there. We just stopped on the road there. It's like next to a big temple you can see down here. Hope we can see the temple. We'll see. Very nice. Otherwise we'll have to fly from over there. But really cool view down here. You never know what you can see when you stop there. Really nice. So after a lot of driving, we arrived at the FEILAI temple. You have this really nice gate here to the entry. You can actually see the temple here down in the background. It's going to be really nice to walk around. Hope we get some good drone shots as well. Check it out. You're supposed to spin this once as you walk along here. Bring good fortune here. You also see some of these really big ones along the way, like in the middle of nowhere. And you can go there and pray and spin here. So get to do as the locals here, Tibetan culture. Really nice. Now let's go and check out the temple. Really beautiful with all these colors here. Red and green and gold. I really love this one. Gonna take some time just to appreciate this calm. Have the crazy background here, and these flags and this kind of chimney where you burn for praise. Crazy here in the back and all these views. Really beautiful and peaceful. Wow, yeah, we're gonna stay over tonight and walk around. Just relax, watch the sunset. Really fantastic evening. Yeah, we definitely got there perfect timing, just the sunset, and you have this very nice colors, as you can see when you walk down. All this golden one. If you're lucky, if you have the sunset, you also it's like all this golden shine on top. But maybe tomorrow we're gonna see if you can see the sun. It's actually but really nice. We're just gonna take it easy here. Probably have some nice food. Get some good drone shots, but really cool. All these flags here. Very nice evening and very good timing with the sunset. Fantastic day so far. So let's see. I'm sure we're gonna have some nice food. So let's get going. Yeah, so we're arrived at this very, very local hotel here now. Get a check-in. We have this nice lights in the background. I'm gonna find some food, so see you on the way to the food. Finally, after a lot of COVID situation going on, it took like 1.5 hours to check in the hotel and get the rooms and not get kicked out. We're finally here. We're gonna explore some nice local restaurants. It's actually quite late. It's like 9:30, and it's the October national holiday, so most people here are actually not here. They're also traveling like us. So it's very empty in the streets, as you can see. You can see if we can find something nice. I'm sure we're gonna find some cool food. Really quiet, but you really like the Tibetan style writing the words here on all the streets, and you have all this very nice red lightings of the lanterns in the background. Let's see what we can find. Ooh, we have the local interesting potato and vegetables. It's lovely. You can pick everything here. Well, action, freshly picked dinner. Wow, here you can see all the meat. That's crazy good. Getting freshly cooked in the kitchen. Getting the true local experience. Here we have some more meat here. Nice. Wow, now we get the hot pot here. We have meat inside. Wow, let's get the fire started. Ooh, oh, that's peanuts, right? Okay, yeah. Peanuts, I can't eat those. Great, we got some sauce without peanuts, so I don't have to die. That's fantastic. Wow, now we're getting all the vegetables to put inside here. Try the meat first. Wow, we have a lot of good stuff here coming in for the kids. Wow. Got the fantastic potatoes. We have even more meat here. Oh, that is crazy good. The chalk head meat. That is insane. Okay, so we've got a lot of the great stuff here. Got the meat here. We got the nice piece of beef here, I think. Dip it in the sauce without peanuts. A lot of crazy good chili and stuff here. That's crazy good. Let's have a bite. Wow, that is amazing. I'm gonna try the potatoes here. It's the local potatoes here. Interesting, a bit different color, almost like a bit purple. Let's have a bite. That's natural fries. Very, very good. Crispy, interesting texture here. A lot of garlic. Put some of this meat inside the hot pot here. Always great with some fantastic veggies as well. Let's have some more meat here. This is amazing. No need for rice and noodles. Crazy good. Yeah, it seems I lost actually my last clip for the dinner, but it was pretty crazy, as you can see here in the background. It was a very nice day. So if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, give me a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.